I got more 2007 Chrysler Pacifica Joy. It's got a bad window switch. Looking like I gotta take the door panel off of this. The first thing I'm gonna do, there's little square little tabs in here. Just get in here with a pick and pop them out like that. This one's missing up here. Looks like there's only two of them. A couple Phillips screws. One here, one here. Wow. Yeah, this is some beautiful paint too, so whatever you do, don't wreck the paint. Ugh. You know, for these little cables, you can just pull this out, and then there's a slot for it, and then pull like this. This one here just pulls out like that, and it's got one of these. And you got a speaker wire here. You got a speaker wire here. Just pop that out. Wow. Funk. There's a plug for a light down here too or something. It wasn't plugged in, or yeah, it was. It came out on its own. Nice. Okay, I got a door panel here. Two Phillips screws, it looks like. One there. Oh, I see another one. There's three. There's four. There it is. The thing. The thing. Okay, now I just got this $35 gem from the junkyard because it's cheap and beautiful, like myself. Yes, I think very highly of myself. Yes, yes. Self-proclaimed. I could never make it in Playgirl. I'm too good for them. Okay, I'm going to slap this bad boy back on. Now, if there's any broken clips in here, or any clips that didn't come out with the panel, you're going to want to take them out. There was only one of them on this. It was half broke, so I put it back in. It'll kind of work. Uh-oh, I got a victim. I can't answer it. My hands are full. What do I do? Make sure these pegs are lined up. Oh, got a wet floor. Now I got a wet sleeve. And it's the grime. That's disgusting. I got somebody's foot jizz on my arm. Nobody wants foot jizz on the arm, man. That's gross. A little plastic booger back in the hole. That's it.